So where can you get those?
I bought from Graf and Son last year,
Okay.
so I just stock up. I buy a case. They give me the case for $350. That's $3.50. That's shipping and handling that goes around almost $4. Well, next time when you look at you see my SUV, the gray one, right here in the front here.
Oh, I can't see it.